Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 and the Vivo V17 Pro. Both phones comes with a quad cameras on the back and same Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8 GB RAM. We have a ultra full view display versus a ultra OLED display. It is a hole punch inside the AMOLED display, and both phones comes with the quad cameras on the back. I have to say main sensor on the Vivo V17 Pro is a 48 megapixel on both phones, 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 13 megapixel 2x optical zoom, and a 2 megapixel macro lens versus a 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor and a additional 2 megapixel macro lens. So let's see how much a difference between the Vivo V17 Pro and the Vivo V17 in head-to-head speed test battle. So let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. So without any further ado, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go, and logo came up first, about the same on both phones, no difference there, and both phones is running on Android 9. We have a Fun Touch OS 9.0 on the Vivo V17 Pro versus a 9.2 on the Vivo V17, and both phones comes with the 8 GB RAM, I have to say. And you can see Vivo V17 Pro is a little bit faster there, followed by the Vivo V17, about half a second difference there. And you can see we have a beautiful displays on both phones, full HD Super AMOLED display, but we have a Ultra OLED display on the Vivo V17 versus a full view display. And Ultra OLED display is a really good feature on the Vivo V17 Pro, and you can see I have to say it is a really small hole punch on the Vivo V17. So like always, let's see the apps opening speed between these devices. So like always, everything is closed up in the background. First application is the phone dialer, and that is faster on the Vivo V17 Pro, followed by the Vivo V17. Opening up the settings, that was about the same, maybe Vivo V17 Pro little bit faster there. Same thing with the music. Let's see the calendar, about the same on both phones, no difference there. In the system based application, my clock, again no refresh there. So opening some more application, we have my file, and that was about the same on both phones. Again videos, and that is faster on the V17 Pro, followed by the Vivo V17. So opening up the calculator, that was about the same on both phones. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed. And guys, let's watch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and both phones comes with the Snapdragon 675, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, which is obvious, launching the Subway Surfer. And Vivo V17 Pro is a little bit expensive than the Vivo V17, and again that was about the same. Let's see the Temple Run 2, and Vivo V17 Pro is a little bit wider than the Vivo V17, and again that was about the same on both phones. Maybe V17 is a little bit faster there, but overall that was about the same. So last, I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and again that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default internet browser on both phones. We have a Vivo internet browser. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org, same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, no difference there when it comes to website loading speed. And you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. That's opening the twitter.com, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And seems like faster on the Vivo V17, and yes, it is faster on the Vivo V17 Pro instead of the Vivo V17. And you can see, and the content is also here on the Vivo V17 Pro first. And now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones comes with a massive 8 GB RAM as well, so very interesting to see who is better in the RAM measurement performance. And settings, no refresh on both phones, and both phones is perform very good in the RAM measurement. And let's see the videos, and again that was about the same, no difference in the RAM measurement performance right now. And let's open some more application, and we have my clock no refresh. उस्मान है उच्चा ना बोल. And last we are back to the internet browser. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is about the same on both phones when it comes to system-based application as well as a game app loading time. It was not difference when it comes of app opening speed. RAM HMD is absolutely incredible on both phones. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 and the Vivo V17 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.